You should put your name what shows on your passport. So kung ano po yung nasa passport nyo, yun po yung ilalagay nyo. Only the given name or first name at surnames or last name lang. Hindi na po kailangan ilagay ang middle name. No need to put your middle name or middle initial. Native language, this is the first language or dialect that a person has been exposed to from birth. So you can click does not apply if it's not applicable. Kung hindi sa inyo applicable, so click nyo lang yung does not apply. Next question is, have you ever used other names or meron ka bang ginamit na ibang name? Example, Digis Analysis Garcia is a married name. Then, click nyo lang yan. Then, type nyo lang yung full name nyo with middle name and last name. Nung dalaga pa kayo or maiden name. And vice versa, if you just recently married and then